Welcome to Mind Blowing Quiz. We are going to see how good you are with answering this mind-blowing questions. Your time start now. Which animal can survive in space? A. Ant. B. Tardigrade. C. Beetle. The answer is B. Tardigrade. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 180. B. 195. C. 206. The answer is C. 206. Which animal has blue blood? A. Dolphin. B. Horseshoe crab. C. Shark. The answer is B. Horseshoe crab. Which organ can partially regenerate itself? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. The answer is B. Liver. Which animal can turn its stomach inside out? A. Jellyfish. B. Starfish. C. Crab. The answer is B. Starfish. How long can the human brain survive without oxygen? A. 1 minute. B. 4 to 6 minutes. C. 10 minutes. The answer is B. 4 to 6 minutes. Which animal is biologically immortal? A. Shark. B. Whale. C. Jellyfish. The answer is C. Jellyfish. What is the strongest muscle based on force in the human body? A. Arm. B. Jaw, masseter. C. Leg. The answer is B. Jaw. Which animal has the fastest punch? A. Mantis shrimp. B. Tiger. C. Falcon. The answer is A. Mantis shrimp. How many hearts does a human have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. The answer is A. 1. Which animal can freeze and still survive? A. Penguin. B. Wood frog. C. Seal. The answer is B. Wood frog. Which part of the body continues growing your whole life? A. Eyes. B. Nose and ears. C. Hair. The answer is B. Nose and ears. Which animal can change its gender? A. Shark. B. Clownfish. C. Whale. The answer is B. Clownfish. How many liters of blood does an average human have? A. 2 to 3 liters. B. 5 liters. C. 8 liters. The answer is B. 5 liters. Which animal can taste with its feet? A. Spider. B. Butterfly. C. Ant. The answer is B. Butterfly. Which animal's heart is located in its head? A. Crab. B. Shrimp. C. Fish. The answer is B. Shrimp. What percentage of the human body is water? A, 30%, B, 45%, C, 60%. The answer is C, 60%. Which animal can jump up to 200 times its body length? A, grasshopper, B, flea, C, frog. The answer is B, flea. How many hours a day does the average person blink? A, 5 minutes, B, 10 minutes, C, 30 minutes. The answer is C, 30 minutes. Which animal can survive without drinking water its entire life? A, camel, B, kangaroo rat, C, snake. The answer is B, kangaroo rat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your score. See you next time.